And there you have it, a wealth of wisdom from the van life community, offering a variety of cooking strategies from the conventional to the creative. Whether it's utilizing the vehicle's features, harnessing the power of propane, or focusing on hearty, simple meals, it's clear that the key lies in adaptability and a bit of ingenuity. From venturing into the realm of outdoor cooking with a stealthy meth stove, to whipping up a warm meal under the sunroof, it's all about making the most of your space and resources. And let's not forget the value of a well-prepared cooking and cleaning kit, as well as the importance of a solid plan B, whether that's a 12V lunchbox or a packet of rice and lentils. So as you ponder your next van or Subaru Outback adventure, remember that a little culinary creativity can go a long way. Whether you're a parking lot gourmet or a stealthy stove operator, the world is your kitchen. Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep the van life spirit alive. This is Jaime, signing off.